Slaughter our schooling, we riven the red and white, fur from fox, fox from fox, our hands trick-or-treating. Here the lungs, the stomach, spike to spill juniper berries and acid. The heart, oh the heart. I sketch the damp, the dazzle, best I can, hope to fix it to our fridge. And we become those country folks, giddy with gore, organs for throwing, intestines are double Dutch, blood to war paint, drying itchy on cheeks, between fingers. Still we hold ceremony, bless the kid, as we scatter him down a ditch for other paws, mouths, appetites. We say the Lord's Prayer, thy will be done, and all that. How I cry after, not when my father looks up and like airplanes points out vultures, but when we're inside, a week later, watching The Fox and the Hound on TV, the part where Todd discovers a shed of pelts, the part where Widow Tweed drives Todd to the woods to abandon him.